I don't like that. Stop it!
Concerning slavery were not so different from those in the antebellum South, which should give us pause. The Egyptian Pharaoh, asking for his assistance against one Zimrada, who had taken control of Ushu. The king knows whether you installed me as a commissioner in Tyre.
What the fuck?
Still, Zimrada seized Ushu from his servant. I abandoned it, and so we have neither water nor wood, nor is there a place where we can put the dead. So may the king, my lord, give thought to this.
Left turn regret behind me.
Notice that the mainland city of Ushu is a source for
Screw Boosh didn't stop behind me, I don't think he did. You had a stop sign there too. And he doesn't stop behind me either.
Believe it now. You know what I mean? Because like you obviously you dedicated a significant portion of your life to this.
Red light run.
I'll give you props. You wrote
Toyo
a
turd.
doctoral thesis.
Nope.
The mainland territory of Tyre, including its fortified towns such as Ushu and Akko, was conquered by the Babylonians. It was plundered and devastated.
And he didn't yield to the guy emerging from the left.
Just as the Assyrian kings had done.
Step by step, work your way through science and just get more and more and more excited about the universe. That's what I did. That's what a million other scientists have done, and it's not hard.
Yeah, take your time, Toyo turd.
It's the best thing anybody.
That makes sense.
Hemorrhoid.
A whole book of an answer.
Yeah.
Does
that help?
Hemorrhoid. Yeah, great signal. Good job.
Presence, but it's going to take more than feelings to get you through graduate school. Plus, graduate school can be quite expensive, and I wouldn't want you to spin your wheels and find yourself in crippling debt. Now, it may be that you're going to get a scholarship.
Right.
Yeah, I think that's really all I have to say to you, Wade.
Yeah, and we gotta wrap this call up because we got some other people we need to talk to. Wade, I'll get
And he runs a red light too. Ah, two of them do it.
Of course, I think.
Placed on the throne by Nebuchadnezzar II himself. However, the island fortress was not breached and would remain that way
you gotta
until
yield.
the siege of Alexander the Great. More than
What was he calling?
200
Volks
years
maggots? Volks, I don't want to say that word, but you got the idea.
The siege and conquering.
We don't have dogma that isn't our own holding us back. We all have our own internal dogma. But I almost...
Hey, can you back off, please? It looks like you're eating something, too, and it's like... I don't know what you're doing back there, but you're too close to me. I don't like that. Stop it! Pulling him over? Because I saw that kind of sort of exit dive earlier. Wait, what? What was that? Why didn't he just stay in the left lane? That's weird.
Here's a grasshopper. We've
You've got to have signed releases with your doctor so that we can be a part of the public. Got to know what meds you're taking, and I get to check in on you periodically to make sure you're taking.
What?
If you're struggling with the
I had to slow down for you.
You're gonna let somebody know. That's an
Toyo turd.
We'll now add the records of the Phoenicians, for it will not be superfluous
Really?
to give the reader depth. And
That'll
then
be a rear
we have
camera.
this
Let her,
enumeration of the times
asshole.
their several
Point trying to understand themselves, one from heaven, one from earth.
Okay.
Trying to understand
Really?
how they fit with each other. You know what I mean?
So you do believe that, like,
I want to say this, and that has to be on you, because especially if you're going to, like, want to have an intimate relationship with someone, like, want to make sure that they're going to be totally okay.
Oh, what?
And it's great if you can tell them, because then you can watch something.
And it's a decision, a daily decision to handle and
wait.
deal with. And work
No, turn on
to
red.
heal
Signs
those
lit up.
things as they happen. If they throw a fit, you can say, whoa. I'm not asking.
Screw Brew has to make a left turn. He had to be in the right lane for some reason. And it's Chevy's turn. That was red. It did not stop. Hey, hi, Honda Pilot, hi. Good job.
And so I would have pictures of my daughter that they could
Nice cutoff.
pictures with my family that bring me joy, and I'm going to have something else to think about that brings me joy. And here's what's going to happen over time.
Now's an exit
Your
dive
brain
up
is
there.
gonna recognize.
Thanks.
Okay. My commitment to you is I'll be with you every step of the way. Call anytime. Do I have your commitment that you're not going to do something stupid and hurt anybody?
Hey!
I know. The one thing I want you to commit to doing is not committing to trying to fight. Being able to relax and being able to control the dial of those thoughts. You take control of
No,
those
stop.
thoughts. You begin to see a jungle. We've hacked our own path. How are we going to invite people to walk on this path?
No stop up there.
we're working on the assumption that hell is an eternal place of torment, then it honestly doesn't matter. This incremental system of justice, what is it? The sentencing is still the same. If the sentencing is binary here, which is you either go to heaven or you go to hell, then this sort of incremental justice doesn't actually work. It's not really incremental because the crime doesn't
nice
really
cutoff
get
up there
in that sense. But
I was like, really? Whoa, what the fuck? Oh, Toyo turd behind me. Nice cutoff. Oh, shit. What the fuck? Okay, I have a little something to say here. The absolute worst place to do curls while you're at the gym is right in front of the barbell racks. You got like 5 people waiting behind you to rack up their barbells, but no, they gotta wait on your dumb ass to be done with your 10 curls with your 15-pound weights. I mean, come on. How come they never sound the lunk alarm for that thing, but they sound it off if someone grunts too loudly? Really, come on.